Hey, what you're about to see is what we call our quoting boot camp. This is something that we do internally to get 1% better each and every day. Today we're doing something very, very interesting where once in a while we ask a producer from our team to do a little bit of a training in the morning for the rest of the sales team. This is someone on our team who consistently writes over $100,000 in premium. One of the things that he attributes that to is how efficient he is with the
quoting process. Getting efficient with the quoting systems is one of the most important things that a producer can learn. The quicker you get efficient with your systems, the quicker you're gonna go to selling way more clients. So what I did for the team is I recorded a video of my quoting process, me going from start to finish on how I would be building out a quote on the phone with the prospect, what is happening in real time.
And what this does is helps other people get quicker, more effective, more efficient, but also make sure that as a team, we're all doing the same thing and we're on the same page. So this is just one of the ways where we stay adaptable, we continue to innovate and get better over time. And it's really, really important that we do this, and we encourage you to do the same thing. So let's go check it out.
Very important that you're building out the quote simultaneously through different providers. What I do is I have a dual monitor setup. Through one monitor, I'm building out the home through, let's say, Farmers Insurance. Through the other monitor, I'll be doing it through Foremost, because the rate will and can be different from those two different providers. We never want to give a price unless we're absolutely positive that it is our best price possible.
Moitz will pull the information via Alta first and then bridge it over to Guidewire. And I implemented that right away and saw an immediate improvement in how quickly I'm able to quote.
Foremost was just a huge unlock for me specifically. It has drastically improved my metrics since then.
By running it through all these different platforms simultaneously, he's getting the client the best price possible, which is huge.
That was the quoting boot camp. If you're not doing exercises like this, we highly, highly encourage you to do so, because if you have 5 people on their team and they're all doing things differently from the sales process to how they quote, that's going to present some issues, especially if you want to scale. If you want to scale consistently and profitably, everyone has to be uniform, from the way they talk to prospects on the phone to how they quote them, the coverages they provide. So this is something we highly, highly encourage you to do. It's called the Quoting Boot Camp and other exercises like this. So hopefully this helps. We'll see you soon.
If you found this to be helpful and you want more training like this, Rob, where should they go?
2 places. 1, follow us on social media. And 2, if you want to learn how to work with us, go to insurancesaleslab.com.